Hi, my name is Jackie anak siswa Ginti Ampan. Today I will present my TMF 6044 ICT infrastructure project. So without further ado, let's begin with the introduction. Okay, so this proposal is to enabling PDPR for 20 households at the rural village. All 20 households are scattered within a radius of 300 meters. The village is located 30 kilometers away from the nearest town with an established internet connection, and within the village area, only moderate 2G and weak 4G signal can be detected. Additionally, all the students in each household will be using computer laptop for PDPR. Therefore, enabling PDPR for rural village is to use VSAT technology and long range access point. Okay, next is the objective. The project objective is to provide high-speed internet access in rural village capable of enabling PDPR for 20 households. The internet access must reach a radius of 300 meters and be connected to the student computer laptop scattered in the rural village. The following is number one, provide 300-meter radius coverage of internet access for students in the rural village. Number two, promote high-speed internet access in the rural village. And number three, enabling PDPR for 20 households at the rural village. Okay, next is the requirement for the proposal. Okay, the rural village student need stable and fast internet access to enabling PDPR. The internet connection must have coverage of radius of 300 meters to cover all 20 households in the village where the student live. Additionally, the proposed solution must either use a guided or unguided medium to transfer the data to the student computer laptop. Next is the problem statement. So there are three problem statements. Number one, only moderate 2G and weak 4G signal, a mobile signal can be detected in the village. All, all the 20 households to enabling PDPR are scattered within a radius of 300 meters. And number three is the nearest town with established internet connection to the village is 30 kilometers away. So next is the proposed solution. The proposed solution will be using the most popular VSAT internet service provider in Malaysia by Miasat via its Connect Me Now high-speed satellite broadband service in creation of network in the village. Connect Me Now is a high-speed Wi-Fi hotspot service leveraging Miasat innovative satellite broadband system. Therefore, it is best suited for public use in underserved or unserved area in Malaysia. Furthermore, it claimed to provide a solution to enable seamless online distance learning connectivity in remote location, which is the objective of this proposal. Uh, Next is continue proposed solution continue. Okay. Um, Proposed solution. Okay. From the network diagram to enable from the network diagram, um, there are two VSAT involved. One is the Earth station. Let me zoom it for a clearer picture. Okay, okay, okay. There are two VSAT. One is called the Earth station, the now for VSAT and the village VSAT. Okay, and the Earth station can receive and send data, and also the same for village VSAT. It can send receive data, but it will be deflected by the satellite in the orbit back to the Earth station VSAT. For example, um, when the village VSAT requests a data from the internet, the Earth station antenna for VSAT will send it into the Earth station orbit and be reflected back to the Earth VSAT. Then the data can be flow through the long range access point to spread around the 20 households in the village. Okay. Okay. Um, One way of spreading the data uh, across all 20 households in the village is to use the Unify U6LR. Okay. ConnectMe provide two omnidirectional Wi-Fi outdoor antenna, but the range is only 100 meter according to the ConnectMe website. Therefore, the omnidirectional outdoor antenna provided by ConnectMe is not suitable. Therefore, a suggestion is to implement a long-range access point to connect all 20 households. One such device is U6 Unify U6 era that can reach up to 300 meter in coverage. Okay, from the device from the Unify U6LR device official website, Unify U6LR access point coverage is 2 times of its predecessor, Unify UAP U6LR, which is 183 meter. Therefore, by implementing only one of Unify U6LR, it can reach all the 20 households scattered within a radius of 300 meter. Furthermore, this device will enable the rural village student to connect to the internet via Wi-Fi connectivity using computer laptop for PDPR, assuming the laptop computer has Wi-Fi technology implemented. The feature of Unify U6LR included Wi-Fi 6 technology for better performance in crowded environment. For stream AP technology for faster download and upload, and full duplex 1 gigabit technology to support full duplex, and lastly is Bluetooth 5.0 technology for quick discovery and setup. However, this proposed project can be modified to use different or multiple access points to spread the coverage to all 20 households in the rural village. The reason is that various factors can change the design of the network, such as geographical factor. Since there are no additional information available for the rural village, assumption was made that the rural village geographical area are flat and the soil around are firm to install grounded facade. Okay, next is the MAC filtering. Um, Configuration to the access point can also be made to make sure all 20 household students can fully utilize the bandwidth of the internet access. This configuration ensures the student can have uninterrupted access to the PDPR section when other rural village users use the bandwidth to surf the internet. The configuration can also whitelist other MAC addresses when the PDPR session ends to better promote the benefit of internet access in the rural village. Next is the budget. Okay, the Connect Me Now subscription plan chosen for the proposed solution is to choose the Supreme plan, which provide speed up to 25 megabit with quarter of 100 gigabyte. This plan is the highest plan available now from Connect Me, with 298 ringgit fixed monthly. The reason not to choose the lower plan is the student learning from the rural village might need more data usage from video conferring and other activity. Connect Me also provide an option for additional data when the 100 gigabyte quota is finished with RM40 for 5 gig, 60 for 10 gig, and 100 ringgit for 20 gig. Okay, the installment budget for the proposal should be 246 optimistically. The reason is that the installment for Connect Me Now in West Malaysia, the installment fee is lower than in East Malaysia. So the installment fee for in East Malaysia is 700 plus the one monthly deposit and one monthly advance payment. But in East Malaysia, the installment fee is 100 and 1,200. plus the monthly deposit and one month advance payment. So assuming that the rural village located in the east in West Malaysia, Semenanjung, this is the total budget required, 2,046 ringgit. The difference between the Semenanjung and Sabah and Sarawak installation is the installment fee. For West Malaysia, it's 700, and for East Malaysia, it's 1,200. So 400 ringgit differences. So okay, the budget is for Connect Me Now is from the graph, the table. The Economic Now is priced at 1,296 for West Malaysia, and to buy one, use 6 RSS point for 750 according to the official website. So totaling to 2,046 ringgit. This budget do not include all other expense such as cabling or other accommodation or transport or delivery for the Unified UCLR. Okay, next is the proposed timeline. Okay, this timeline is from my own experience working at Richton Member Hut in installing VSAT for Connect Me in rural area. The first thing to do is survey the site. Next is preparation, and the last installation and acceptance test. Next is the advantage. VSAT. The advantage of using the proposed solution is that VSAT can deliver high-speed broadband unhindered even in area where most basic mobile network are lacking, such as the current existing 4G, 2G, and 4G in the village. VSAT can be installed anywhere, anytime within the satellite footprint, and if the satellite is already in the orbit. Weather and regional factors such as unstable power system have little effect on VSAT technology. It is also inexpensive and hassle-free to upscale the VSAT service. The next is the comparison. Okay, as mentioned before, the mobile connection for 2G is moderate and 4G is weak in the rural village. The current state of the mobile connection in rural village is not suitable for students for PDPR. For 2G, the internet connection is very slow and can only be good to make a call. For 4G, the internet connection can be good for PDPR, but it is weak in the village. The weakening in 4G mean it only good in specific area. For example, an area with excellent clearance to the sky and high enough for stable 4G connection. The solution is to install VSAT connection to the village to provide the student with good and stable internet connection to conduct PDPR at the village compared to installing a cell tower near the rural village. So this is the table of the uh, comparison between VSAT connection and mobile connection. Okay, next is the conclusion. So in conclusion, with the COVID-19 pandemic hitting the entire world, students are forced to learn through online learning. The only problem for students in rural village, it may not be a problem for students in a rural area with constant and good internet access, but for students in rural village, this is a problem. There are many solutions to solve the lack of good internet access in the rural village. Still, the most suitable is to install a VSAT internet access because students need to catch up with their study compared to the student in the urban area. And VSAT installation is very fast. It's the fastest way. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.